Hi! In front of me is Motorola G71 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Security. Then click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. After that, select Setup at the bottom right corner, click Next at the bottom right corner as well, after reading the disclaimer, and follow all of those instructions. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now, you can click on the switches next to all of those features to enable or disable them, and when you're ready, select Next. Then click on Done, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!